Will it all end? Everything we know, everything we are, swallowed by the vastness of time, the universe, a stage for cosmic wonders, might have a final curtain call. But how? The answer, hidden in the fabric of space-time, is a mystery scientists are only beginning to unravel. For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars, contemplating our place in the cosmos. We have built telescopes, launched probes, and crafted intricate theories, all in pursuit of understanding the universe's grand design. And somewhere in that design, hidden among the swirling galaxies and the echoes of the Big Bang, lies the answer to how it all ends. The universe is not static. Far from being a silent, unchanging void, it is a dynamic, ever-evolving expanse filled with movement and transformation on every scale imaginable. From the tiniest particles to the largest galactic clusters, everything is in motion, governed by the fundamental laws of physics. It's a place of constant motion, expansion, and change. Scientists, through careful observation and groundbreaking discoveries, have revealed a universe in flux. Every star, planet, and galaxy is part of a cosmic dance, shifting and evolving over billions of years. The night sky we see is just a snapshot, a fleeting moment in an endless story of transformation. This understanding leads to a profound realization. The universe as we know it cannot last forever. From the moment of its birth in the Big Bang, the universe has been expanding, stretching the very fabric of space-time. In that first instant, all matter and energy erupted from a single, unimaginably dense point, setting everything into motion. Over billions of years, galaxies formed, stars ignited, and planets coalesced, all propelled by the momentum of that original explosion. Galaxies race away from each other, driven by a force we still don't fully comprehend: dark energy. This mysterious energy is causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate, pushing galaxies farther and farther apart. As space itself stretches, the distances between cosmic structures grow ever larger, making the universe more vast and isolated with each passing moment. But expansion is only one part of the story. The universe is also subject to entropy, a gradual decline into disorder. Like a clock slowly winding down, the universe's energy is being dispersed, its structure slowly fading. Over unimaginable timescales, stars will burn out, galaxies will dim, and the cosmos will grow colder and darker. This slow march toward disorder is inevitable, a fundamental aspect of the universe's fate. Yet, in this grand process, we find both the beauty and the mystery of existence. A universe forever in motion, forever changing. Imagine a force, invisible yet powerful, pulling everything apart. A force that grows stronger over time, stretching the very fabric of space-time. This force, known as dark energy, might be the universe's undoing. It's a cosmic tug-of-war, and dark energy might just win. If dark energy continues to increase, as some theories suggest, it could eventually overcome the fundamental forces holding the universe together. Galaxies, stars, even atoms themselves would be ripped apart in a cataclysmic event known as the Big Rip. It would be a violent end to the universe, a cosmic undoing on a scale beyond imagination. What if the expansion of the universe is not destined to continue forever? What if the force of gravity, relentless and unforgiving, eventually halts the outward rush of galaxies? This is the premise of the Big Crunch, a scenario where the universe collapses back in on itself. Picture this: the expansion slows, galaxies begin to draw closer, and the universe becomes a chaotic dance of colliding stars and merging black holes. Ultimately, all matter and energy would be compressed into an infinitely dense singularity, a point much like the one from which the universe emerged. This would be the Big Crunch, a mirror image of the Big Bang, a cosmic reset button. Not all endings are violent. Some are quiet, almost gentle, a slow, inevitable fading away rather than a sudden, dramatic finale. The universe, vast and ancient, may not end in a cataclysm, but in a gradual surrender to silence and darkness. Some endings are slow, a gradual decline into silence and darkness. Over unimaginable stretches of time, the light of the cosmos dims, and the once brilliant tapestry of stars begins to fade, one by one, into the void. This is the fate of the universe in the heat-death scenario. A future where the cosmos doesn't explode but simply cools and dims until nothing remains but emptiness. Imagine a universe where, over trillions upon trillions of years, every star exhausts its fuel and flickers out, leaving behind only the faintest embers of light. Picture the last stars burning their final reserves, their light growing weaker, until they too are swallowed by the darkness. Galaxies, once clustered together in brilliant formations, have drifted apart, pulled away by the relentless expansion of space. The remaining particles, atoms, dust, and the remnants of ancient stars, are spread thin across the vast, empty expanse. In this cold and desolate future, no new stars will form. The cosmic nurseries that once gave birth to blazing suns are now silent, their gas and dust too diffuse to ignite new life. The universe becomes a graveyard, filled with the remnants of dead stars, white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes, drifting in the endless night. Even black holes, those cosmic monsters that once devoured everything in their path, will eventually evaporate through a process called Hawking radiation, slowly losing mass until they too vanish. All that remains is a faint whisper of radiation, a ghostly afterglow of a universe that once teemed with energy and light, now reduced to a barely perceptible hum. The universe will become a cold, dark, and utterly silent place, where even the memory of light is lost to the endless night. Its energy will be evenly distributed, unable to support any form of life or complexity. In this final state, the universe is perfectly balanced but utterly empty, a silent testament to the passage of time and the ultimate fate of all things. What if the end is not truly the end, but rather the beginning of something new? Imagine for a moment that the universe is not a one-way journey from birth to oblivion, but a story that loops and renews itself again and again. Could it be that every ending is simply a doorway to another beginning, a cosmic reset that breathes life into existence once more? Some theories propose that our universe is just one in an infinite series of universes, each born from the ashes of the last. In this grand vision, the cosmos is not a solitary event but a vast multiverse where countless universes emerge, evolve, and eventually fade away, only to give rise to new realities. Each universe may have its own unique laws of physics, its own galaxies, stars, and perhaps even life. This is the concept of a cyclical universe, a never-ending dance of creation and destruction. Picture the universe as a cosmic heartbeat, pulsing with cycles of expansion and contraction, birth and rebirth. With every cycle, the universe is renewed, its matter and energy reshaped into new forms, new possibilities. Imagine a universe collapsing in a big crunch, only to be reborn in a new Big Bang. The end of one universe becomes the seed for the next, a cosmic phoenix rising from its own ashes. This cycle could have repeated countless times before, and may continue endlessly into the future. Or perhaps universes are born in the depths of black holes, emerging into their own unique existence. Some scientists speculate that every black hole could be a gateway, a tunnel to a new universe with its own space and time. In this view, our universe might itself be the offspring of a black hole in another, older cosmos. The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. With every new discovery, we realize how much more there is to learn, and how many mysteries remain hidden in the darkness between the stars. The universe may be far stranger and more wondrous than we can even imagine. In these models, the end is not something to be feared, but rather an essential part of a grander cosmic cycle. It is a reminder that in the universe, as in life, every ending holds the promise of a new beginning, a universe reborn time and time again. The fate of the universe remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in science. We are limited by our current understanding of physics and the vastness of the cosmos. The universe is full of surprises, from dark matter and dark energy to phenomena we haven't even begun to imagine. Our journey to understand the universe is ongoing, New discoveries could reshape our understanding of the cosmos and its ultimate destiny. Perhaps the universe will surprise us with an ending we never saw coming. The question of how the universe will end speaks to something deep within us. It's a reminder of our own mortality and the vastness of existence. As we continue to explore the cosmos and unravel its secrets, we must remember that some questions might never have definitive answers. Will the universe end in a fiery explosion, a slow fade, or something else entirely? What secrets lie hidden in the fabric of space-time waiting to be discovered? These are questions that will continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come. The universe, it seems, will always hold some mysteries close to its heart.